Bit about what's your perspective of interfaith, people of different faiths coming together, the humanity into it. I mean, we know that there are differences. That's why there are different religions and different philosophical thinking on it. But the importance of people coming together, of different religious, different faith backgrounds, etc. What is your take on that? Because that's a little question mark from some Jews, some Christians, some Muslims, Hindus, people of different religions, some, and I think it's just a minority. With my traveling throughout the world and meeting people of different faiths, it's really a minority. But as a rabbi, a doctor, PhD, a man of philosophy, ethics.
Well, I teach religions.
And you teach religion. So it's important that our viewers there who may be viewing this program and they are of that belief, and I hear people say that, oh, we don't need to associate with other people of different beliefs, we don't need to discuss. And, well, do you think it's necessary as a man of ethics, a man of religions? What do you think,
it's a great question.
Human beings in the world, should we establish that relationship with people of other faiths and getting to understand them, getting to know their background, getting to know their religion? What's your take on that?
I think anytime two people talk face to face, as you and I are doing, that strengthens the relationship, and particularly when I talk with somebody who may have different ideas than I do. Unfortunately, often we spend time with those who really agree with us, even within the Jewish community, never mind other faiths. I'm a conservative rabbi, which is one particular approach to Judaism, and most of the people I hang out with are other conservative Jews, but talking to the Orthodox, talking to the more extreme Orthodox, talking to the Reform, talking to Muslims and Christians and Buddhists and everybody, I think has really strengthened my own understanding, even of my own faith. It says in the Talmud, who's wise, somebody who learns from everybody, and I can learn and understand from everybody, I think. And I've spoken. I've given sermons, for example, about Ramadan and the whole idea of fasting. My Jews complain that they have to fast on Yom Kippur, how tough it is. So imagine 30 days.
Yes.